Our world is enormous, and there are so many types of life form around us. It might sound shocking. There are approximately 7.7 million species of animal on our planet, but with only 12% of them formally described. Most of these catalog animals live on land, and humankind has still a long way to go to explore the fauna of the oceans. Completely such an abundance of life form. Not waiting further, let's begin with our today's topic, that is different types of tiger species. But first, subscribe my channel that motivates me to make more content for you guys. Going to our first species, which is most famous and popular tiger species, which is Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger coat color varies from light yellow to reddish yellow with black stripes. Male can weigh between 180 to 285 kilograms, while female weigh between 100 to 160 kilograms in northern India and in Nepal. And the average larger male weigh up to 235 kilograms, while female are around 140 kilograms. Compared to other tiger species, Bengal tiger are the heaviest. These tigers are found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal. Their habitat are alluvial grassland, subtropical, tropical rainforest, and mangroves. In 2014, population in India was estimated at 2,226 and around 200 in Nepal and 103 in Bhutan. Going to a second species, which is Siberian tigers. Siberian tigers has thick coat with pale hues and few dark brown stripes, and male weigh between 180 to 360 kilograms, while female average 100 to 167 kilograms. All the contemporary Siberian tigers are lighter than their ancestors, since these tigers are found in Aborigine, which is also known as Amur tigers. These tigers are found in Siberia and northeastern China. As well, in 2005, there were 331 to 393 adults and subadult Siberian tigers in the region, with the breeding adult population of about 250 individuals. As of 2015, there were an estimated population of 480 to 540 individuals in Russia. Going to our third species, which is Sumatran tiger. Sumatran tiger are the smallest of all living tigers, and male weigh between 100 to 140 kilograms, while female range between 75 to 100 kilograms. Population is thought to be Asian mainland origin, and to have been isolated about 6,000 to 12,000 years ago, after a rise in sea level created the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Sumatran tiger, the last surviving of three Indonesian island tigers. By 2008, wild population was estimated between 441 to 679. Going to our fourth species, which is Malayan tigers. Males in Malayan tigers weigh between 47 to 129 kilograms, while female range weigh between 24 to 88 kilograms. Malayan tigers appear to be smaller than Bengal tigers. The population was roughly estimated to be around 300 adults and around 200 mature breeding individuals. This tiger mostly occurs in northern Malaysia. They were also found in Singapore till 1930s. Going to a fifth species, South China tigers. South China tigers considered to be the most ancient of the tiger subspecies and is distinguished by particularly narrow skull, long muzzled nose, rhombus-like stripes, and vivid orange color, and male weigh between 130 to 180 kg, while female weigh between 100 to 110 kg. The population would extinct in the wild around the 1970s. As of 2007, captive population consists of 73 individuals. Going to a sixth species, which is Indo-Chinese tiger. Indo-Chinese tiger are described as being smaller than Bengal tigers and as having a smaller skull, and male weigh between 150 to 195 kg, while female weigh between 100 to 130 kg. This population occurs in Myanmar, Thailand, and Laos, but it was not been recorded in Vietnam since 1997. In 2010, population in Indochina was estimated at about 350 individuals.